Hello, everybody. Caroline Lee here. I'm excited to talk to you a little bit more about the new wellness programs that doTERRA just released and announced at Convention 2020. So today I'm going to break down what is going to be in the Mind and Mood Kit if you select that wellness program for your loyalty rewards order. So what I love about this is doTERRA has focused. They've listened to us as customers, as wellness advocates, wanting a very targeted program for a specific issue that we want to deal with. And so these programs are designed to last for 90 days. You get a kit, one per month, so 3 kits in the 90 days with products that target that specific focus that you want to have. So right now they're launching 3 kits, the immunity, the relief, and the mind and mood. So today I'm going to focus on teaching a little bit about the mind and mood one, where we want more balance in our life. Maybe we want to restore some peace, some focus. Maybe we need help with adapting to the life challenges that we're having. This would be a good targeted wellness kit for you or program for you to get started. So let's go over some important things that you need to know about this particular wellness program. So these launch, they start October 1st. So October 1st will be the first time that you'll be able to add these to your LRP templates, your loyalty rewards orders. Once you save it into your template, then you'll start with kit number 1. It will automatically change to kit number 2 once the order has been processed, okay? These are gonna cost you $75 every single month, but you'll be able to stay on the program and it automatically will send it to you. So you don't have to go in month 2 and edit and change it and say, I want kit number 2 in this program. It will automatically switch it to kit number 2. So this allows you to actually decide if you want to just focus on mind and mood that month. If you want to, you do multiple, you could do the relief or the immunity one. Or you can do a couple of them. You can do up to 4 of the mind and mood kits. So if you had 4 individuals in your family that all wanted their own products, you could do multiple kits like that and get them on the multiple programs. Sorry, you'll have multiple programs and they can all get their kits. What I love about these kits, though, they do come with some exclusive products and LTO items. So you're not going to be able to find them anywhere else except in these kits. So things like the On Guard dental floss, or the tongue scraper, or the massage roller ball, or the bath salts, or the unscented lotion, or the room sprays. There's so many things that you cannot buy unless you get these particular kits. So they're easy and make it super simple for you to enjoy some amazing products. So your very first month, you're actually going to get a reusable neoprene bag where you can store all your products, after the 90 days in one little place if you wanted to, or you can use it however you want. And then the other 2 will be in a craft recycled pouches, okay? And then they did announce that there are going to be new wellness programs coming in 2021. I'm estimating you'll see it around February or March around leadership when these ones will be coming out. So let's talk a little bit about what's inside the Mind and Mood Wellness Kits when you select this program for your loyalty rewards order. Again, this is $75 per month, and you'll be able to get one of these kits every single month, and it will rotate. So if you never take it off of your template, it will start with kit month number 1. And you'll keep getting the 3 kits in the program. So the Mind and Mood comes in this beautiful light blue case, and you have a 15 ml bottle of Balance. You have the Balance deodorant, natural deodorant in a mini size. So who doesn't like minis? I love minis. I just traveled and this saved me so much space by having my deodorant in a smaller size. You also have the adaptive capsules as well as the roll-on. If you know a lot about mind and mood, you'll understand why those products are essential. These are the hero products in the Mind and Mood Kit. Now, just like the Lifelong Vitality Program, you can actually add some special additional products to it. So like the Lifelong Vitality Pack, you can cater your specific supplement program to what you want with additional savings. This is the same thing. So you can add up to 3 products per program. at a discount of 20% off. So you can get the La Luz diffuser, which is brand new. You can get a Steady, a Thinker, Copaiba, a Serenity soft gel, or Adaptive soft gel at the reduced price by ordering this particular kit, okay? Let's see, the next one, this is month 2. You're going to have the bath salts, and these bath salts, you get to add whatever oil that you want. If you want to do black spruce to it, the adaptive, you could do the balance from the previous kit to your bath salts, but it allows you to be able to find a different way to use the oil and see what works best for you. Okay, baths can be very relaxing, so that's why it's in this one. You'll also get black spruce in a 5 ml, which is one of my personal favorites. You'll get a lavender touch. You'll get the adaptive 15 ml, as well as the wild orange. And this allows you to be able to diffuse those pretty easily. All are great for the diffuser. So you can always add those that diffuser on if you want to do that at the additional savings. And then month 3, here is the kit for month 3. This one you get the body butter that is unscented. So normally we get the scented one, which is amazing. I love it. It's very moisturizing. It's good. But this one allows you to kind of play around with the oils for mind and mood, and you can add that to your body butter and then have a personalized scent as well. So this one comes with a balanced touch. You get the Serenity and the adaptive sprays. So this is linen sprays or room sprays, however you want to call it. It's just amazing. I'm really excited for this one. You also get a 15 ml of cedarwood, citrus bliss, and a 15 ml of lavender. Okay, so you had the lavender touch last month. Now you get the actual 15 ml bottle, which allows you again to diffuse in the air, real simple and easy. All right. So again, you can add these add-ons up to 3 of them per kit. Now, if you wanted multiple of this particular one, the only way that you can do that is if you had 2 of the Mind and Mood wellness programs in your LRP at month 1, okay? And then you can select, you know, then you'll get an extra kit. But you can't do multiples of this kit unless you have multiples of the program in your LRP template. So hopefully that's not confusing. But this is definitely going to be a very popular one because of the exclusivity. I can't say that. Anyways, the exclusiveness of these products. So I hope you're just as excited as I am to jump on one of these wellness programs and really focus for 3 solid months on a particular area, and in this case, mind and mood. So with that, keep oiling and check out our next video.